The Riddle of the Earth, Chapter 1, Meteors and Atmospheric Disturbances. The particular characteristics of this earthquake are that it signalized its advent by a sultriness, created a vacuum, was accompanied by fire and electrical or magnetic disturbances, produced an enormous quantity of rain and also a tidal wave. In a word, it displaced both the atmosphere and the sea. It will be seen again that in its main phenomena corresponds with the quote, revolving storm quote, of the Atlantic hurricane, which occurred almost exactly 1 year later. The main difference, it may be premised, was not in its character but in the locality the missile, in the one case falling in the Sea of Japan in proximity to a densely populated country, in the other falling in mid-ocean where only its after effects were felt, unless there happened to be a ship or ships at the actual point of contact, when such ships would be added to the missing vessels reported at Lloyd's, of which trace is ever found. The meteor, as the originating cause of the Atlantic hurricane, if such it were, also seems to have followed a track from north to south, and to have actually fallen at some point north of the Leeward Islands. The Amalfi landslide, comparatively insignificant as it was, belonged undoubtedly to the same genus of phenomena, and the tidal wave infers its impact with the sea. Had it been witnessed from the bridge of a passing ship, it would probably have been entered into the ship's log as a waterspout. As it may be objected by the reader that had these various catastrophes been caused by falling meteors, they would have been seen, it should be said that they fall so swiftly that I cannot fix them except at night at a distance away, when they show as a long and brilliant stream of light. In the daylight they are invisible to the naked eye, and are only heralded by vapours in advance. They fall as a rule tangentially. How do you say this? Tangentially. Tangentially? I don't know. And in their passage nearing the earth are the cause of earthquakes. They appear to follow along certain lines of longitude and are apparently attracted to the volcanic belts of the earth. There is a very close relationship between earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, and the best way to arrive at some understanding of these terrible and threatening visitations is to examine the locale, structure, actions, and produce of volcanoes. In all the cases cited, as will be seen in all records of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, atmospheric conditions have been considerably affected. A disturbance, whether it be termed an earthquake, a landslide, a tornado, or a hurricane, bears a close family resemblance, differing only in regard to the magnitude of the event or to the locality wherein it may occur. The result in any case is a displacement of the atmosphere, which seeks to readjust itself and so causes depressions of varying magnitude that may affect the weather over enormous areas and prolonged periods.